I'm going to show you my 2020 Firework Stash. This is part one. This is what I've collected so far. I'll be going again the Thursday or Friday right before the 4th on my way up to the cottage where I shoot these all off. So why don't we just get into it. So I got the 4 Boomer 6-shot cakes. I think they're 6-shot. Yeah, 6 shots. Last Call, Happy Hour, Pop a Top, and Bottoms Up. So these were $8, buy one get one, so breaks down to $4 a cake. Wicked, Haunted Scarecrow, Noisy. These 3 cakes are by Firehawk, and then American Salute. These were, I think, $8 a cake. Then we got Dragon Black Box Artillery, Mega Banger. They're just mini canisters that are equivalent to a ball shell. Nothing crazy. Down here, I went to Phantom earlier in the year, back in before all this coronavirus stuff. They were doing a buy one get 2 free, so I bought the $100 cakes, cut 3 of them. Live Free or Die, one of them. Got Colorful Whirlwind and Outrageous. These were $14 each. You know, little above average for what I've seen some places selling them for, but there's only 1 or 2 stores around me that sell them, so I kind of got to go with it. And they're too good not to shoot, so I'm willing to pay the extra couple dollars on each cake. Raging Willows. I got Chroma Chameleon. This is brand new for this year. Looks pretty good. I got 3 Wild West. Got a Hot Take by Brothers. I think this is new for last year. I know this is new for this year. The Brothers Crimson Bull, Copper Devils, and Sapphire Clan. It's a little 3-pack. 25-shot cakes by Brothers. 2 Colorful Skies, 2 Wild Horses. These were also $14 each. These were $14 as well. Place I go to, most of their 200-gram cakes are 28 buy one get one, or 35 buy one get one for the bigger 200 grams, if you would call it. Hot Take and Chroma Chameleon, those are 35 buy one get one. The Raging Willow, or I should say the 2 Color Crackling Palms, were 14 each as well. And I got this one. I think this is new for this year. I'm not sure. Big Color. This cake is probably one of the heaviest 200-gram cakes that I've ever held, and it's only 8 shots. And I got Big Color and Raging Willow Those were 35, buy one get one, so was that $17.50 I think. Then down here, these are the other two 500 gram cakes. I got triple barrage flickering yellow, 24 shot, and vertical velocity, which is I believe a 30 shot. And then just a bag of tanks and little fountains to start the day off. Get everybody in the mood to shoot fireworks, you know. So yeah, so far this cost me about $400. There are stores around me that are a little cheaper, but they don't sell raccoon and then obviously phantom, but so it's just convenience for me. I go to the closest one. You know, sometimes it's not worth driving an extra hour to save the $2-3 a cake where you wouldn't save it in the gas. So, but yep, so that is my 2020 firework stash part 1.